Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from BA111 1D from Group 6. We would like to presenting about compound interest and unity for our beloved lecturer, Ms. Fatimah binti Harun. First, I will introduce myself and my group members. So my name is Nurul Azwar Syafiq Syahmi Rosmadi.
My name is Shahira Maisara binti Murai.
My name is Amina binti Ahmad Lutfi.
My name is Anis Adriana binti Ahmad Nazir.
Compound interest is the addition of interest to the principal amount, loan or deposit. Meaning by that, the interest you earn each year is added to your principal, so the computation of interest is based on the interest of the interest. In simple term, it is interest on interest. Example, saving, account, investment, loan.
Problem statement for case study 1. Siti plans to invest 20,000 in Maybank e-fixed deposit for 5 years to save for her college use. This saving account offers an interest rate of 2.4% compounded monthly. Next, we have 4 objectives. First objective is to determine accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. Secondly, to calculate the amount of interest received. Thirdly, to calculate the accumulated amount if 3,000 ringgit was added in the third year of the investment period. Lastly, to calculate the accumulated amount if the interest rate increased to 2.7% compounded monthly 3 years after her initial saving.
Now for the result and discussion. From the problem statement, P equal to 20,000 ringgit, T equal to 5 years, K equal to 2.4% which is 0.024, M equal to 12. We need to find I which is K over M, 0.024 over 12 equal to 1 over 500. We also need to find N which is MT, 12 multiply 5 equal to 60. Moving on to the first objective. To determine the accumulated amount at the end of the investment. To find S, we need to use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. S equal to 20,000 in bracket 1 plus 1 over 500 to the power of 60. S equal to 22,547 ringgit 23 cents. Next, the second objective is to calculate the amount of interest received. To find I, we need to use formula I equal to S minus P. I equal to 22,547 ringgit 23 cents minus 20,000 ringgit. I equal to 2,547 ringgit 23 cents.
So the next question, number 3, is to calculate the accumulated amount if RM3,000 was added on the third year of the investment period. P1 is equal to RM20,000, S1 is equal to P1 in bracket 1 plus I the power of N1, P2 is equal plus RM3000, P new is equal to S1 plus P2, S is equal to P new in bracket 1 plus I the power of N2. Next, T1 is equal to 3 years, N1 is equal to MT1, N1 is equal to 12 multiplied by 3, so N1 we got 36. I is equal to K over M, I is equal to 0.024 over 12, I is equal to 1 over 500, T2 is equal to 2 years, N2 is equal to MT2, N2 is equal to 12 multiplied with 2, so we got N2 is equal to 24. So next, use the formula S1 equal P1 in bracket 1 plus I the power of N1 to find the S1. So we got 20,000 ringgit multiplied with 1 plus 1 over 500 the power of 36. So we got S1 is equal RM 21,491 36 cents. Next, use the formula P new equal S1 plus P2. So we got 21,491 ringgit 56 cents plus 3,000, so P new is equal RM 24,491 and 56 cents. Next, use the formula S equal P new in bracket 1 plus I the power of N2 to find S. So we got S equal 24,481 ringgit 56 cents multiplied with 1 plus 1 over 500 the power of 34. So S is equal RM 25,694 ringgit and 59 cents. The next one is question 4. To calculate the accumulated amount if the interest rate increased to 2.7% compounded monthly 3 years after her initial saving. K1 is equal to 2.4%, which is 0.024. N1 is equal to 12. T1 is equal to 3 years. N1 is equal to M1 T1. N1 is equal to 12 multiplied with 3. So N1 is 36. I1 is equal to K1 over M1. I1 is equal to 0.024 over 12. I1 is equal to 1 over 500. K2 is equal 2.7%, which is 0.027. M2 is equal 12. T2 is equal 2 years. N2 is equal M2 T2. N2 is equal 12 multiplied with 2. So we got N2 is equal 24. I2 is equal K2 over M2. I2 is equal 0.027 over 12. I2 is equal 9 over 4000. Next, we need to find S1. So use the formula S1 equal P in bracket 1 plus I1 the power of N1. S1 is equal to 20,000 ringgit multiplied with 1 plus 1 over 500 the power of 36. So S1 is equal RM 21,491.56 cents. Lastly, use the formula S equal S1 in bracket 1 plus I2 the power of N2 to find S. So we got 31,491 ringgit 56 cents multiplied with 1 plus 9 over 4,000 the power of 24. So we got S is equal RM 22,682.63 cents.
Annuity is a sequence of equal payments made at equal interest of time, usually monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. An annuity requires the payments either immediately or in future.
Syamil is planning to buy a car after he get a promotion. He decided to buy a 2032 BMW 330i M Sport Driving Assist Pad 2.0 that costs RM 235,000 as a reward for himself. He pays a 10% down payment, and to finance the balance, he took a loan from CIMB Hire Purchase I at an interest rate of 3.75% compounded monthly. The loan is to be repaid in 9 years by monthly installment. Objective for case study 2. First, to determine the value of monthly payments. Second, to determine the amount of interest incurred by Syamil. Third, to calculate the total outstanding balance if the payment was settled immediately after 60 payment. Fourth, to determine the total outstanding arrears if Syamil failed to pay 2 consecutive payments and the payment is to be settled on the next payment.
Moving on to the result and discussion for annuity. Cost price CP equal to RM 235,000. Down payment DP equal to 10% multiplied RM 235,000 equal RM 23,500. Balance B equal to cost price minus down payment equal RM 211,500. K equal to 3.75% in bracket 0.0375. M equal to 12, T equal to 9 years, I equal to K over M equal to 0.0375 over 12 equal to 1 over 320, N equal to MT equal to 12 multiplies 9 equal to 108. Objective 1, to determine the value of monthly payment. So now we use formula A, which is A equal to R multiply 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of minus N over I. And then we rearrange the formula to get R, which is our objective, and then we put all the info that we have, which is we put A is RM 211,500 multiply 1 over 320 divide in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 1 over 320 to the power of minus 108. And then we get R equal to RM 2,310 ringgit 39 cents. Objective 2, to determine the amount of interest incurred by Syamil, we use formula I, which is I equal to R multiply N minus A. We put all the info we had, it is I equal to RM 2,310 ringgit 39 cents multiply 108 minus RM 211,500, and we get I equal to RM 38,022 ringgit 12 cents.
Objective 3, to calculate the total outstanding balance if the payment was settled on the 60 monthly payment. First, we need to find N unpaid. N unpaid equal to N total minus with N paid. N unpaid equals to 108 minus with 16. N unpaid equals to 48. Now we will use the formula of AN equals to R multiplied with 1 in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N over I. A48 equals to 2,310 and 39 cents multiplied with 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 1 over 320 to the power of negative 48 over 1 over 320. A48 equals to 102,833 ringgit and 20 cents. Objective 4. To determine the total outstanding arrears if Shamil failed to pay 2 consecutive payments and the payment is to be settled on the next payment. First, we will find N unpaid. N unpaid equals to 2 plus 1. N unpaid equals to 3. Now we will use the formula of Sn equals to R multiplied with in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus with 1 over what I. S3 equals to 2,310.39 multiplied with 1 plus 1 over 320 to the power of 3 and minus with 1 over 3,020. S3 equals to 6,952 ringgit and 85 cents.
In conclusion, compound interest can grow your finances faster over time by earning interest on both your initial investment and the interest that has accrued. The longer you invest, the more money you earn and the higher the interest rate. Annuities offer reliable income over a predetermined period of time, which is beneficial, especially during retirement. Annuity can stabilize the income of a large amount, and at the same time, your money is safe.